right, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, left, cha, cha, cha. Left, right, cha, cha, cha. Sway, mine, outside. That's the end of part 1. From here, back and right, cha, cha. To the left, right, left and touch. Turn, back and Cherkessia. Cha-cha outside and cha-cha inside. From here, without stopping, right, left and right, left, right and left, and turn 2, that's it. That's it. And then again, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The end of the dance. Again, back to right and touch. 1, 2, quick 2, 3. Walk on a line. Right, left and right. Left, right and left. And walk 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, from the beginning, I'm going to do it walking. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, turn and 2 and back. Inside to the center, left to the center, swing and mine. I'm going to do it again. Right, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, face the center, back, turn, face the opposite of the line, inside, cha-cha-cha, inside, cha-cha-cha, swing, and mine. Now part 2. Back and right cha-cha to the left, left, right. Touch and turn and Cherkessia up. Right cha-cha, left cha-cha, right, left and right, left, right and left, and 2 steps. Again and cha-cha-cha to the left. Back face outside, turn and Cherkessia now. Right cha-cha, left cha-cha, 2, 3,